Did you know that right now, there are millions of tiny workers inside every plant fighting to keep it alive? And they're doing things so incredible, you won't believe your eyes. Stay tuned. Plants look calm and peaceful on the outside, right? But deep within their roots, stems, and leaves, there's a hidden world of activity that would absolutely blow your mind. Today, we're going deep inside to reveal the secrets that keep them breathing and growing. Everything starts in the ground, the roots. But here's what most people don't know. Roots aren't just boring brown things stuck in soil. They're actually hunters. Every single root is searching for three essential things: water, oxygen, and minerals. And the tips have sensors that detect light, gravity, and moisture. It's like the plant has an underground spy network constantly working for survival. See these tiny root hairs? They multiply the surface area by up to 20 times. That's how plants absorb so much water so fast. One single root hair can drink more than its own weight in water in just a few hours. Here's the wild part. Roots talk to fungi underground in a relationship scientists call the wood wide web. The plant feeds the fungi sugar, and the fungi help the plant find water and essential minerals. It's literally a biological trade deal happening beneath your feet every single second. Now, once the roots find water, how does it get all the way to the top leaves? Enter the xylem. Think of it as the plant's water highway. Inside the stem, there are thousands of microscopic tubes called xylem vessels. Water travels through them at speeds of up to 3 feet per second. But here's the mind-blowing part. Water can move against gravity, pulling itself upward, defying everything we know about physics. It's called capillary action combined with transpiration. Water evaporates from the leaves, creating a suction force that pulls more water up from the roots. It's like a never-ending chain pulling water skyward. A single tree can move 1,000 liters of water from root to leaf in a single day. That's absolutely insane. But water alone isn't enough. Plants need nutrients, and that's where the phloem comes in. It's like the plant's bloodstream. The phloem is made of living cells that transport sugars and nutrients created in the leaves to every single part of the plant. Roots, stems, flowers, fruits, they all depend on this nutrient highway for survival. And where do these nutrients come from? The leaves, nature's solar panels. Here's what's happening inside every leaf right now: photosynthesis. Light enters the leaf, chlorophyll captures it, and the plant literally turns sunlight into food. Water plus carbon dioxide plus sunlight equals glucose plus oxygen. The plant feeds itself and produces the oxygen we breathe. You're literally alive because of this process happening right now. But plants aren't passive. They're constantly fighting to survive. When they sense danger, drought, insects, disease, they release chemical signals throughout their entire system. Stomata, those tiny pores on leaves, can close in seconds to conserve water during drought. Roots can change their growth direction to find water sources. Leaves can even produce toxins to poison insects trying to eat them. Scientists recently discovered that plants communicate through their root systems using electrical signals, similar to how our brains work. One plant can actually warn neighboring plants about incoming danger. It's like a botanical alarm system protecting an entire forest. So how do plants keep growing? Inside the plant, there are special regions called meristems. These are like the plant's perpetual youth fountain. These cells never stop dividing. They continuously create new cells, allowing the plant to grow throughout its entire life. A tree can keep growing for hundreds of years because of these meristems working nonstop. When you really look inside a plant, it's not just biology. It's engineering, communication, and survival all working together in perfect harmony. Next time you see a plant, remember, there's an invisible world of activity keeping it alive. And that activity is keeping us alive too. What's the most amazing plant fact you learned today? Drop it in the comments below. And hit that subscribe button to explore more hidden worlds we never knew existed.